I'll be live here in a second. Um, so what I got was an email from a student. Um, and it's kind of an interesting one. It's kind of an interesting problem. And so I thought I would stream how I'm gonna at least try to get to the point where she can solve it from there herself. So the idea is basically something like this. This is what the student gives to me, and the idea is if A, B, C, or D is pushed, then a video is played, and then if and then there's a pause, okay, and then a space bar, and so then you're supposed to push a space bar and then go back and then the ability to push either K or Y, and then that would show something, and then yeah, so it's kind of um hmm, it's well, it's not exactly how I would set things up, and so I'm just trying to figure out the best way for her to be able to use this and set something up that I think is going to be a little bit more what she's looking for. Um, so what I've done already is I went ahead and set up this right here, and instead of using A B C D and then K Y M L, she was just continuing to use the alphabet. I went ahead and used 1 2 3 4 for the time being, and the idea is that I'll either have these all go into a comp, but eventually this is going to go to a null and then an out. So instead of everything, what happened there? Huh, that was weird. There we go. So I think what I want to do is have these go. I think it makes sense for her to use 1 2 3 4 every time, and then um, pipe everything into the same out instead of this kind of. It's tough to think in non-linear fashion. And that's what basically she's thinking very linearly. Go from state one, and then pause, and then button placement, and then pause, choice, pause, button placement. And kind of like forward, which makes a lot of sense, but it's just not how TouchDesigner works. Um, because it actually doesn't run the same kind of script linearly as some of you may know. So what I'm trying to do is this. So I can, if I wanted to, I could have any of these. Okay, this could be the select input, and then I could select input either one. Okay. Oh, I need all of these to go into a null first. Wait a second. Okay. I think I might know the best way to do this right now. Okay, let me see. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a null chop, and then, or do I need? No, I need a join chop. Maybe might end up using a math chop, but all of these go from here to here. And then I don't want that. I want blending. No, where's my blending? Yeah, blending. There we go. No. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna 2, 4. Okay, that doesn't kind of cool and all, but it's not helpful right now. So yeah, it's just gonna be me using a math chop. So you either have 1, you have 2, you have 3, or you have 4. And then combine chops, you want to um add. And oh, because this is just right. Shoot. Um um okay, 1. Okay. So how do I have and I've looked at using triggers. Oh, maybe I need to be using. There a keyboard in? Yeah, there is. And of course, there's a keyboard in for the whole thing. Okay, so, oops. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Oops. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry about that. Got a little anxious. Got a little anxious. Um, I'm, no, I'm gonna stay away from that. It seems, oh, come on. Let's just design from What? Oh, okay. Huh. That's pretty cool. But no. Oh, come on. At least cycle. Okay, what is my constant? All right. You push, man. This is just not a fun one. Um, tricky. I assume that there was a file. Oh, that is where. Oh, either that or an error. Question, error. I see. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what? I completely forgot about a meeting that I have in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop here, which is actually nowhere at all. Um, man, that's. I'm gonna come back to this. All right. Um, I got nothing done. That's how it goes sometimes. Man, I'm trying to go from linear to non-linear. Um, this is a tough one. Hopefully I can give her something that will at least get her onto something that she can test. So, um, yeah, all the best. I don't know how long to wait.